We can implement another one of the many examples of camera controls that Ite Karen documented. By making the camera move further in front of the player, we can let the player see more of the level before they move into it. We'll detect which way the player is facing and move the camera's target point away from the player in the correct direction. So basically we'll have the character about here, and there'll be all this extra space in front of them, so it's a bit easy for them to see what's coming up. Let's edit the camera controller. So what we want to do is detect which way the player is facing and change the velocity x based on that. So because we're going to have different velocity x blocks in here, let's move that out for now. We'll leave the velocity y in there. What we want to do is check if the player is facing left or if the player is facing right. So we'll go to control flow and grab the if block. So how do we check if the player is facing left? Well, we can check if the scale of the player is less than 0. So we'll go to operators and grab the equals block, change that to less than. Then we'll go to transform and we want scale x of myself, but we don't want myself, we want instance player. If scale x of instance player is less than 0. That means they're facing left. So we will have them move towards the player, but we want to have that target be further to the left of the player. So we want to say x position of the player minus 50 or minus 100, up to you. Go to operators and grab the plus block, change that to a minus, and so the camera won't go straight to the player's position, it'll go to this new number, player minus a number, and we'll try minus 50. Minus 50. Now, what about when the player is facing right?